let me introduce myself. My name is Akira Fitri, class PBAB. I will explain about language acquisition among adults. The question number 1. According Hanya and German, 1977, the answer is the study conducted by Hanya and German, 1977, was a longitudinal investigation that tracked the process of acquiring English as a second language by a young adult learner named Fatma, 19 years old, a native speaker of Arabic living in the Andes states. Their findings reveal that adult L2 acquisition typically begins with the use of prefabricated Rotanius memoirs expression used as fixed cues without understanding their grammatical structure. This supports the view that adult learners do not depend solely on role memorizing, but also engage in creative processing as they begin to recognize and form linguistic patterns. When I compare this to my own experience as an L2 learner, the process feels very familiar, as also begin by memorizing simple set first before really understanding the underlying patterns and being able to construct new sentence independently. The question number 2, according Ellis, a 1977 computational model. The answer is Ellis, 1977, explained that the computation model described three internal cognitive stages involved in language acquisition. First, learner receive linguistic input from their surroundings and temporarily store it in short-term memory. Second, input that is frequently encountered becomes process recognized, and third, as more state linguistic knowledge in long-term memory. Third, this stored knowledge is later restored and used to produce a term case during communication. For example, repeatedly hearing the pairs this a pen first allow it to enter show that memory then comes consolidates as a step pattern in a long-term memory and eventually be returned and adapted to from expressions such as this is a book. And the question number 3, according to classes 1982, a 5-stage of L2 development. The answer is Krashen, 1982, stage that adult progress through 5 development stage when acquiring a second language. The first is pre-production stage, a silent during which learners only the cognitive basic vocabulary. The second is the early production stage where learners can produce one or two word response or simple pairs. The third stage, speed emergence, is characterized by the ability to produce short sentence and basic question. Throat errors are still common in the fourth stage. Intermediate fluency learners show greater fluency and begin to use more complex linguistic structure. Finally, the advanced fluency stage represents another native level of proficiency. The stage aligns closely with my own L2 learning journey. I initially understand word without being able to speak, when slowly produce simple pairs and over time development the ability to use more complex sentence structure as I gain more exposure and practice. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.